Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make reported speech model. So let's start. So this reported speech project is ready to explain now. First let us understand what is reported speech. Reported speech is how we represent the speech of other people or what we ourselves say. There are two main types of reported speech: direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech. In direct speech, we usually put a comma between the reporting clause and the reported clause. The words of the original speaker are enclosed in inverted comma, either single or double. For example, he said, I am going out. She said, I can swim. Then indirect speech. When we want to report what someone said without speech marks and without necessarily using exactly the same words. For example, he said he was going out. She said she could swim. When we use reported speech, we either report statements, questions, requests or commands, or other transformation. Reporting statements. In this case, you need to add the object pronoun. For example, he told me he was going to call Ali. You told us you would already finish the order. Then reporting questions. When you report a question, you need to change the interrogative form into an affirmative sentence. For example, do they live here? This is direct speech. You asked me if they lived here. This is indirect speech. Then reporting request or commands. When transforming request and commands, check whether you have to change pronouns, place and time expressions. For example, he said, sit down. This is direct speech. He asked me to sit down. This is indirect speech. Then other transformation. Expression of advice with most, should and ought are usually reported using advice. For example, you must read the book. This is direct speech. He advised me to read the book. This is indirect speech. The expression let's is usually reported using suggest. For example, let's go to the cinema. This is direct speech. He suggested that we should go to the cinema. This is indirect speech. So these are types of reported speech, and this was our whole reported speech model. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.